right. So one of the things I'm going to try right here real quick is um, I've got this job right here, this Michelle Sebastian job, and I have got this task pulled up in process plan on my mobile, gather pictures. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete this task. You can see that it's overdue right here. And because it's overdue, it's created a record. So what I've got is supposedly when I accomplish this, it's going to update that record and remove that record. So let me update this real quick, and we'll say it's a crawl space. There's one room affected. It is the kitchen. And then I'll make a note real quick. So I'm basically going to say um, a leak in the kitchen island area, hardwoods, so hardwoods, we're going to call it 20% range. So I'm going to hit inspection complete. And so we made a note. So hopefully this will go away. And there's my note. And that's beautiful. Oh, what? So a couple different things. So you're going to see it's also going to move here. So it's going to move down here to inspect it as this thing happens. So it's still completing in process plan, and so it'll probably do it here. And so I'm going to write another note on the next task. The next task is it self-pay or insurance? We're going to say husband was home but is allowing the wife to handle this. She is going to follow up with us to confirm if they want to proceed with a claim. So that's what we're going to put. And so then my next task is it insurance or not? So we're basically going to say not sure. And it should post a second note, and you can see the API is doing its thing there. So as I clicked off of it, it moved, right? And so we've got a couple things. So one, the notes came in, that's good. So it says that Shane created the note at 4:28, and it is right here. Shane posted the note, and you click onto it, and it says the leak happened. You can see they came over from the API at the proper time. That's cool. And same thing here. Now, this guy did not go away, did not change. Okay, so it did change the task, but it didn't change the link record. So what I want to do real quick is see if I can make sure that overdue tasks save. So one of the questions is once it hit overdue status, it should only show those. Perform. So it's linking the record and it shows it completed. But when you go to overdue, let's go to gather moisture reading. So it's not there. So overdue tasks. So that's one question for Airtable to check and see because it should not be populating there. It does change it from due to overdue, but it's still pulling the record here. So I'll have to see exactly allow linking multiple records. So I'm not exactly sure about that. We'll have to play with that and see what's going to happen there. But at any rate, it's not an overdue task anyway. At this point, you see that it was overdue, and then now it is completed. So we'll try to get that cleaned up. So anyway, there's that.